I haven't been this excited in so long. I have a new mayonnaise, a new adaptation, a new discovery. I cannot take credit for it, but it gives you longer lasting mayonnaise. And it's because we are fermenting it by adding some fermentation liquid to the mayonnaise before it's all blended. This happens to be my homemade fermented sauerkraut, but I understand you can use whey. I'll do some research and put it in the comments, but I'm using sauerkraut juice. All right, so I have slightly warmed my egg. Something else I've been told is that room temperature is good enough, and it doesn't take long to warm it up a little bit, so I'll just keep doing it that way. It is 1 cup, or you can go over, of neutral tasting healthy oil. I understand that ghee makes quite an impressive mayonnaise. This is avocado oil. I understand you can make use MCT oil as well. One tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. Two tablespoons of fermented, in this case, fermented sauerkraut juice. And then half a teaspoon of salt. It's pink salt, loaded with minerals. Does not affect your blood pressure the same way, although it's already high. Yeah, you get to choose how you handle that. Whoop. And then we blend. My phone may be too low. No. All right, here we go. And then you let it sit on the counter for 7 to 8 hours so the fermentation process can actually take over your mayonnaise. That increases the shelf life by weeks. Mine doesn't last that long, but it's certainly a better deal than the other mayonnaise that is only good for 5 or so days. Now, I didn't throw it out after 5 days, but it was always on my mind. So, this is it. Look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. So, again, let it sit on the counter for 7 to 8 hours. Refrigerate it, and then you have basically a new product. Fermented, self-preserved mayonnaise. Love to you all. Subscribe to my channel.